So Adrian wanted to rent a holiday cottage in Scotland for his family. He saw the following advertisement. So this cottage here is £620 per week in August. And if you pay now, you get 15% off. Okay. So, but it does say then if you cancel, any money paid will be returned to you. So you get your money back, less £60. They'll actually keep £60. So there's a bit of a penalty to pay there if you actually cancel your holiday booking, right? So you lose £60 there. So he booked this cottage immediately, it said, and paid for 1 week in August. All right. The next day then, Adrian saw an advertisement for a different cottage, right? There's another cottage, and it says here it costs £69 per night in August, this different cottage. Would Adrian have saved any money if he had cancelled the booking from the first cottage and rented the second cottage? Okay, so we got two cottages here. Let's have a look at the costs then for the first cottage, for instance. Okay, so we've got first cottage, £620 per week in August. But if he pays now, he gets 15% off. And he does, doesn't he? That's what it says. Adrian booked the cottage immediately. So, if we work out the discount he gets, we need 15% of £620. Okay. Now, of course, if we work out 10% first, that's the way I'd go about it, is 10%. And 10% of that is easy. You just take the zero away, so you get £62. Okay. And to get 15%, I need another 5%. So I need to halve this, yeah, because 5% is half of 10%. So half that, I get 31. So then I get my total of 15%. And we add these, right? So if I add these, I get 2 and 1 is 3, 6 and 3 is 9. Okay, so you get a discount, when you get the 15% off, so it'll be a discount of £93. So how much is he actually paying for this cottage? Well, we need to then take this discount away from here. So 620 take away 93. Let's work that out. So we've got 0 take away 3, which we can't do, so we borrow from here. Borrow from the 2, make that a 1. So the 1 I borrow, I put there. 10 take away 3 is 7. 1 take away 9, well I can't do that, so I borrow from the 6 and make that a 5. And the 1 I borrow, I go there. So 11 take away 9 then is 2, and then 5 take away, well there's nothing there, so it'll be 5. So it'll cost, total cost will be £527. Okay. Now, second cottage. Okay, it says in the second cottage he has to pay £69 per night. Of course, he's going for a week, isn't he? Yeah, he's going for a week because this is 1 week in August. So that's going to be 7 nights. All right, so we need to work out the cost there by doing £69 times 7. Okay, and if I want to do 69 times 7, well, a number of ways, but you could break this up. You could do 60 times 7. And then 9 times 7, okay? So you could break it up 2 ways like that, okay? 60 times 7, okay? 9 times 7, 69 broken up. So 60 times 7, if we do 6 times 7, 42, and add a 0. And then 9 times 7 is 63, okay? So we'll add these together then to get the total cost. 3, that'll be 8, and that'll be 4. 483. So the total cost, the cost for the second cottage will be £483. However, because he's got to cancel the first cottage, remember he needs to add on, okay, the penalty cost, okay, for cancelling the first cottage. So it actually, the total cost will be 483 plus this £60. So that comes to 500, if I had that, £543. So would he be better off? Actually, he'll be worse off, wouldn't he? So he's not going to save any money by cancelling the first cottage and booking the second cottage. He'll actually be worse off. So we can say that he will be worse off, and we can see how much it'll cost more. Take this away from that, it will cost him £16 more when the sort of penalty, isn't it? The penalty for cancelling the first cottage is paid. Okay? Right.